Alright, let's show y'all how I catch some bait fish. All you need, a little bit of line. I got these beads on here because it just lets me see my bait a little bit easier. I got a little tri hook on here, if you can see. Bait loaded all the way up. I'm just gonna hand cast this in this water behind me. Let's see how we do. It's not hard, you just want to keep reintroducing it to the water. There we go. And that is how you catch a bait fish. No pole, little bait, little hook. He's gonna do well.